Now we need to prove that the equation, and then we need to prove the equation by using angles of a triangle. So it says that if alpha, beta, and gamma are the angles of a triangle ABC, then prove that sine alpha plus beta is equal to sine gamma. Okay, how do we do this? Well, it says that sine alpha plus beta is equal to sine gamma. How? Let's see. As you know that the three angles in a triangle always equal 180 degrees, right? So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 180 degrees. Now since we have this alpha plus beta on the left hand side and this gamma on the right hand side, let's take this gamma to the right hand side. And that gives you alpha plus beta is equal to 180 minus gamma. Now apply the sine function on the left hand side and the right hand side. That means sine alpha plus beta is equal to sine 180 minus gamma. And as you know, sine 180 minus anything gives you minus sine that anything. Sorry, not minus sine, just sine that anything. Because again, if you draw the function of the sine, that looks something like this, right? And so basically, if this is 180 degrees, and let's say 180 minus gamma is less than 180, obviously. So let's say that's somewhere around here, okay? And this, since this is 180 minus, sorry, let's just write that, yeah. So this is at 180 minus gamma, okay? And if you just look at this over here, it's basically just equal to 0 plus gamma, right? Because over here, this point is 0 plus gamma. And that gives you the same value, which is why sine 180 minus gamma is equal to sine 0 plus gamma, which means that this entire thing becomes equal to sine gamma. And that's really just simple. Always remember that these, till this point here, this middle point of the sine function, both of these sides, this side and this side, are symmetrical. So if you move gamma, an angle gamma from the right hand side, it's the same as moving the angle gamma from this side, the left hand side, okay?